Today we're going to talk about a tool that's essential for anyone that plans on stretching their own canvas, or if you plan on working with any raw canvas or raw linen. Allow me to introduce you to Gamblin PVA Size. This liquid right here in this bottle allows your canvases to last longer and perform better. Let's dive into it. Put simply, Gamblin PVA Size is a primer. The PVA stands for polyvinyl acetate, a type of synthetic polymer. When used as a size, it acts as a barrier between the canvas and your paints. Here's why that's important. PVA size creates a protective layer on your canvas. This prevents your paints from soaking into the fabric, which can cause it to degrade over time. This means your artwork stays vibrant and your canvas remains strong. This also prevents any acids from soaking into the fibers as well, making your canvas more archival. By applying a thin layer of PVA size, you give your paint something to grip onto. This results in better adhesion and helps your paint to apply more smoothly and evenly across the surface. A lot of artists forget that canvases can absorb a lot of paint, which not only wastes your materials, but it can also affect the final look of your artwork. PVA size reduces this absorbency, allowing you to use less paint and achieve a more even finish. PVA size has one additional benefit that you should be aware of. It also prevents the fabric from absorbing atmospheric moisture that eventually causes swelling and shrinking and ultimately can make your paints crack. To use Gamblin PVA size, first you need to shake the bottle really well. Then you simply brush a thin and even layer onto your canvas and let it completely dry before you start painting. PVA can be applied multiple times if you desire. It can also be sanded with a fine sandpaper to achieve a smoother surface. For bigger canvases, canvases with open weave, or canvases with pinholes, PVA is recommended to be applied to both the front and back side of the canvas. Now, generally, PVA is applied before you add a layer of gesso. At least that's the way that I have been known to use it. But in my research, I have found out that you can actually apply PVA on top of dried gesso. Just make sure everything is 100% dry before you apply anything on top of anything. PVA can easily be bought on Amazon in different bottle sizes, and the prices are generally around 10 to 20 USD. Of course, I'll do you all a favor and put links down below that take you right to it. Gamblin PVA size is a must if you plan on stretching your own canvas or, like I said, working on any raw cotton duck or raw linen canvas. It's also a game changer for preserving your canvases and enhancing your painting experience. If you need any more help with any awesome painting tools, or you need any help with tips, tricks, or techniques, this is the channel for you. Go down below, smash that sub button, don't forget to hit like, and leave me a comment on how I can help you even more. If you need more help right now, hey, the videos over to the side are gonna show you some more cool things with my beautiful face, helping you be more creative. I'll check you all in those videos there, and as always, take care, happy painting, and peace.